Assalamu Alaikum. Hi, it's early morning after Fajr prayer. I think sun hasn't risen yet, even though it's very clear, the surface. My nephews hasn't gotten up yet. I think they are sleeping. Wow. Can you hear the sound of the frogs? Do you know what it is called when a frog makes that sound? It's called croaking, croak, croak or croaking. So in my country there is a myth. Our forefather used to say, when a frog croaks, that means they are praying to God for rain. Did you know that? Or do you have any myth in your area or in your country?